You stare at me. Oh, I'm hot. Alright y'all, welcome back to my channel. So instead of doing a seafood boil, I'm sweating because it's hot. It was hot outside. We went swimming and everything, but I'm doing a neck bone boil, and my mom was the one who suggested this. Anyways, I got to drink is this wild red juice from like HEB. I got neck bones. A lot of y'all suggested potatoes. That's why I told my mom to get them, and she said she googled it and saw they had a neck bone boil. So yeah, y'all was suggesting the potatoes. Then I got corn. Let's see if I can show y'all. Yeah. And then I forgot my fork, but I got cabbage here too. I got my hot sauce. Got some salt, but I gotta get my fork. Alright, so if y'all hear any noise, my kids is over there eating pizza because they don't like neck bones, and they're watching their tablets. Oh. I just made a whole mess of the salt. Anyways, alright, thank you for this food that my mom and y'all are about to bless me with. It's about to be so yummy. Amen. Hot mama, turn that fan over here. I'm about to turn your AC. I'm about to turn your AC on. Who, Aiden? Alright, y'all. Y'all told me to try the potatoes, so I'm about to try them. Let me put hot sauce on everything. Literally. I'm about to drench my food in hot sauce because that's just how we do here. Put hot sauce on everything. Alright. Alright, y'all. Y'all suggested them, so. Alright. It is good. I give all y'all thumbs up that say try the potatoes with the neck bone. Yeah, it is good. I don't know if y'all can see this. It's kind of hot. I gotta hurry up. I got my cabbage. Yes, I put hot sauce on my cabbage too. You gotta give her the regular one. Shit. You know what? I took the girls to the pool today. They wanted to stay out there longer, but I was like, it's just too hot. It's 100 degrees. I think it said it feels like 100 and something, what, 6?
I've done my shift.
Whew. Hold on, let me go find Ava Passy.
Yeah. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Excuse me, my mama.
Hi, mama. I'm about to try this corn. She literally cooked all of it together. Y'all haven't seen my vlog, it'll be up before this. Go check out my vlog because I showed y'all how she put it out on the pot.
Okay. It's good?
Yeah.
Yeah, she looking dead. You want her mommy. She think you're talking to her. Your mommy talking to her camera, baby. She ain't talking.
My mom was over there talking to Ayla, y'all. That's why I keep looking over there.
Oh, give me my keys.
It's over there.
By the front door?
No, it's on the counter. I don't know if y'all can see this. Y'all kind of far away, so I can't really see y'all.
She did. That's all. She said, my mommy over there. I want some black.
I got a chef right there that made it. My mama.
Oh shit, I'm in the video.
You're okay. I would have never thought of a neck bone boil, y'all, until she said it. You just Googled it, mama? I would have known. Yes, y'all, I put hot sauce on everything. A lot, too.
finna go.
Who, Ava?
Like everybody leaving in the street.
Ooh, that potato, y'all. You coming back later, Mom?
Is that mine?
Alright.
Wait, where's Mama?
Y'all, we are almost at 6K.
6K?
Oh, this looks so good, y'all. Wish y'all can taste it, like for real. A lot of people in my group, was like, girl, cause I sent them the food. They were like, girl, it looked like I could, they were like, I can almost taste it through the phone. Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all this. Hold on. If I can scoop it. This potato is hot. Okay, let's go put Ava's pasty in her mouth. Ooh. Y'all see that? Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna do too much talking, y'all. This food is so good. Like, look at that. Can't forget about the cabbage. I gotta drink some drink, y'all. It's just too hot today. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. Excuse me. Like, girl, hold on, y'all. Oh my goodness. I gotta add some more salt, some more hot sauce. I don't know how much time I got to film this before Aiden wakes up. I'm trying to hurry up, eat. I was gonna film this later, but heck no, I was hungry. Oh, that potato. How was y'all day going? Like, what do y'all do? What y'all do? Or what y'all doing this weekend?
Kiss.
I'm sorry if I look a hot mess, y'all. I literally, my makeup is like running because, like I said, we went swimming today. Oh, y'all can't see my cabbage. They ain't salt in the way. Look at that. A lot of y'all sharing positive comments and telling them to stay strong. I told him. He said he really appreciate all y'all for y'all support and everything. I read y'all comments to him. I try to read all of them, but there be so many of them. It's kind of hard. But When I talk to them, I'll read some of y'all comments. And there's carrots in here too, y'all. Y'all was for real right about this, about adding to potatoes. It's good. I wish y'all can really try this right now. I just want to give y'all something to try.
You like it? You like it? What?
Excuse me, y'all. Soda, like I said, make me burp. So for the ones that don't like it, I'm so sorry. I was gonna give me a Coke. I haven't drank Coke in so long, but I was like, nah, I don't really drink the dark drinks. Look at all them juices.
Baby doll.
I don't like the fat part. Yeah, I'm almost done.
Sorry, I'm thirsty.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that. Forget about my cabbage. I should have added it to on my plate so I wouldn't forget.
Baby doll. Baby doll. Baby doll.
What other foods do y'all want me to try? For people that like when I do this stuff. Do mukbangs. Like, what do y'all want me to try? Ooh, I got food dripping, dripping down my face. Me just falling off the bone. Goodness. This is life, y'all. Bomb. There's onions and bell peppers and everything in this. She really put her foot in this food. Y'all about to be done. Y'all, so my memory had ran out and I had a little bit of neck bone left and I was like, you know, I'm not gonna do them like that. So I went and got me a little bit more. I still got cabbage in this bowl. Oh, damn it, I pulled too much salt. Yeah, so I had to go get me some more. And I also had to go and take footage off my memory card and also take footage and put it onto my computer. But let me, I got some time, y'all. All right. Ooh. I don't even know what to eat first. Ooh, look at that. I wish I was zoomed in this close the first time. When y'all see my kids, y'all can just run by. They going, their hair is crazy because we went swimming. I just washed it. Ooh. These potatoes get you full. Got carrots. I should have a water, y'all. I'm really thirsty. Oh my God, this big thing. About to add some hot sauce to it. Ooh. Mmm. Y'all. Oh, and the thumbnail. What I use my mama's for a display. Cause she had set hers up on nice and neat. I was like, let me just use y'all's. Her and Jack's for display. Ooh, about to scoop all this good old juices up on this potato. Some of this is fat. I don't do the fat. Like this right here, that's fat. I'm getting full. I might have to do a lot of with this drink. Whew. Ooh, look at all that. The only reason I add more hot sauce because these be the parts that be like in the plate and you don't really get to have hot sauce on it. I don't know if y'all can hear Ava, but she over here making noises and stuff. Baby talking. If you don't know who Ava is, meaning if you're new, Ava is my baby girl. I have twins. One's Aiden and the other's Ava. They're 3 months. Lord. Just gonna add some cabbage onto this potato too. Might as well add a carrot. Top it off. See if I can show y'all. Ooh, it's dripping. Look at that, y'all. I'm gonna just pour the cabbage over here. That's probably how I should have done. That way I can just scoop it up. What is it, Mama? I think she thinks I'm talking to her. I know a lot of people say that they don't really like mukbang. That's fine. We have a lot of supporters. Some of them don't like it, but it's okay. I understand. I hate them making noises. I like see vlogs. That's why I try to put a mukbang up like close to when I put a vlog up. Like, you know, 2 videos in one day. I know some people rather see vlogs. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. Ooh. Ugh. Trying to see how much time I have left. don't know if I can hear my kids. They in the back arguing. Oh, excuse me. Lord Jesus, thank you for this food. I'm gonna eat this potato and the rest of this food that's right here. That's all gone. All right. I think I ate it all. I think it's all going on. Yes, bone. Whew. All right, y'all. Excuse me. Thank y'all so much for watching, and the ones that are new, welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. If you want to see more mukbangs, comment down below. My hands are nasty, y'all. If you want to see vlogs, stay tuned for a vlog. I don't know if I put one up already, and this is the second video, but stay tuned. Thank y'all so much for watching. We love y'all. Peace. That was good.